So normally when people buy something brand new, they rave about how awesome it is because it's brand new, nothing can go wrong. But you guys know me better than that. I haven't even owned this thing for a full 24 hours and I've already broke it. Luckily, it's no fault of the tractor itself. It's just the dumb owner who wasn't paying attention. I've got a third function little grapple rock rake up front, and I was not paying attention at all apparently when I hooked up the third function to the hydraulics because I looped them back through the grill guard. And I wasn't meaning to do that obviously, but that's what happens. So as soon as I went about halfway up with the bucket, yeah, hydraulic hose and a fitting popped. So we're gonna get these off. You know me, I couldn't stay away from wrenches long enough. So we're gonna get these off and see if we can't go up to a local supply house and get a new set made up. Hopefully they got something on the shelf. If not, we're gonna be down till Monday because it's Friday at 5 o'clock and all the hydraulic hose shops are closed. So hopefully somewhere like Tractor Supply or some other little hardware store has something on the shelf that we can make work so we can get this job done. I'm just picking up some debris and brush and making this pile even bigger from where we had a little bit of storm last night around the property, and I de-limbed some trees and just doing some general cleanup. So I know it's outdoors, I know it's not in the shop, but it's still shop related stuff because I'm an idiot and I've told you that before. So I get to work on something today, so that's exciting. Come along for the ride. Hope you guys enjoy. Click like if you do, subscribe if you haven't already. Well, that was only about a $170 mistake, but mistakes happen, and it's how you deal with them as to how your mood is the rest of the day. And right now I'm in a good mood because it's fixed. So we're gonna go do some grappling. All right, so we're gonna go move the last little load back over to the brush pile and make sure this thing works the way it's supposed to. Grapple's fixed, hydraulic hoses work, they don't leak, and I'm happy. So that was a $170 mistake. Don't let it happen to you if you have a tractor. Watch where you're routing the hydraulic lines. It's kind of important if you want them to last. So if you like this stuff, click that thumbs up button. If you want to see more, go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know, and I'll show more tractor and yard work in the future. I appreciate you guys as always. If you're not a current subscriber, become one today. Just go ahead and click that red subscribe button. You'll see more shop stuff, Datsun stuff, car stuff, and maybe more tractor stuff if you let me know that's what you want to see. I appreciate you guys as always, and until next time, thanks for watching this one.